Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing, one that I have never done before. Make that 2 unboxings in a row. We did the original 16 display set yesterday. I've got Matchbox Power Grabs today. Mattel sent these to me to show to you. I did cut it open because I was like, is this truly Power Grabs or is it something else? And it truly is, but I haven't looked at what is inside. I just saw the boxes. And so that is what we are going to do today, is open Matchbox Power Grabs. What are the Power Grabs? Well, I have no idea, depending on what country you're in. If you see the Power Grabs here in the United States, you do. These are Matchbox boxed models. We're going to move this one to the side. We'll pull this one out. I have no idea if these are the same. My assumption is that they are, and we are going to go ahead and look at them. So I'm going to go and move this one off to the side right now, and we are going to look at this. Matchbox Power Grabs. They are box Matchbox, not blistered Matchbox, going back to the nostalgic classic days of Matchbox. They've been around for a couple of years now, but they've been really consistent about releasing them. I think there was a couple of batches in the first year that they did them that were missed, but I think I've seen most now, and I think these are new. We'll find out, right? Let's go ahead and open up. Obviously, for stores, you can rip this off so that it showcases the boxes. You know what, we might as well. Yes. This is an unboxing. Mattel sent it to me, so let's go ahead and do it. There we go. Oh, okay, this is kind of cool that they did send this to me, because I've never done, like I said, an unboxing of the Power Grabs. I bet we can put this in here like this. Yeah, there's how it looks at the store. But these are sporting the brand new artwork for the Power Grab. So this is very, very cool. I have no idea how many are in here. Should we go ahead just to preempt any suspense? Yeah, this one appears to be the same. So we will put that one off to the side. I'll have to figure out what to do with that box. But right now, let's look at this one. So these are the same releases as the basic models that you'll see on the pegs. But I have to say, some of you have said, oh, the distribution for Matchbox is bad. I think it's a lot better than it used to be, at least around my area. And I know that my area doesn't account for all. But I have seen I've seen Walmart and Target consistently, Walmart especially, consistently peg, and Kroger stores consistently peg Matchbox. And I've seen these at Walmart and Kroger. All right, let's get right to it. This is the ATV 6x6. And let's just have a look at how the art is played out. So this is very similar to the card art of the 2018 models. I've got those right here, see? So you have the new card art. So Matchbox logo, metal parts, the road trip subset, and then, of course, this beautiful artwork of the cars on the road. That's what the card art looks like, and it's so cool to see the Power Grabs duplicating that. We'll open these in a second. We're just going to go through what's in here. So we have 2 of the ATV 6x6s. We have 2 of the Scania P360. You can see that the art, so you not only have all of the information about the car here on the front, but then you have the same artwork, but now not as covered up right there. So that's kind of cool. And then a bunch of legal stuff, legalese. So 2 of the Scanias, 2 of the ground grinders, some warnings there. So again, that's kind of cool that they do this. I don't know if that was for the purpose of having the better art, but there you have a nice complete view of those. There we go. All right, see, this is duplicating the final case, which I think if we saw, yeah, it did say M on it, right? So I'm assuming this corresponds. Can you see that? There it is. M case. This corresponds with the final case of 2018, right? So this is the 2018 Nissan Leaf. There's the art there. The Ford Ranchero, the 61 Ford Ranchero. Maybe we'll open up one of these. We've already seen these models, of course, but it is kind of cool to see how these are packaged. these are all put together kind of nicely, so you can kind of, you know, if you're going through, if you find a box, you can at least pick out, you know, the ones you want. If you just want one of each. This is the Freightliner M2 106, which looks kind of cool. That's the National Parks car. One of several this year. Obviously, the National Parks 5-pack was the most common, but we've done several. I think it's probably time again to do an update on that. All right, Glass King. Just keep showing you that artwork. And there's always one. Subseeker. It does provide some new art, the underwater art, but that model leaves a little bit to be desired. I'm not going to sit and complain. All right, this is a new model. I think the Travel Tracker. Yeah, no, it's not new. It's been around for a little bit. Travel Tracker. Been around for at least a couple of years, I think. We've done a couple of the RVs. I'm more into the licensed models. Okay, and Tin Forcer. It's a boat. Oh, look, some of these, everything's been 2 each except for the final 2, which is kind of a bummer. But these are 2 each at least. This is the 63 Austin Healey Roadster. I don't see the Jag in here. So there you go there. We can check and see. I'm assuming the other case is the same, but we'll check just in case. And the last 2, but I don't know, I think the one is fresh from this case, is the 62 Nissan Junior. Absolutely love the artwork on this one. And then maybe the cool power grab to have here, because Audis are everything right now. The 94 Audi Avant RS2, but we know it as the 2004 Audi RS6. Oh, you Audi licensors, come on. You know what this car is. And it's beautiful. Just gorgeous in white. And the art is fantastic too, even though that's an RS2. All right, let's open up the Austin Healey Roadster. So the one critique I would give on these, but I get why, is that these are sealed. So once you open the box, the only way to reseal it would be, never mind, there's a piece of tape on here. But there's a piece on tape on both. But once you cut it open, you're going to have to reseal it with a piece of tape. I guess that's okay. So let's go ahead and see. I thought these were sealed shut with sticky, but no, they're sealed shut with, there's still some more information, with tape. So the car doesn't get scraped around. It sits in a little plastic bag type thing. And voila, there is your model. There you go. Look for the Power Grabs in store. They will be there soon, if not already. And then we're on to 2019. We've already looked at some of these models, these opening parts. A lot more to come. Promise you, it's good. Bye, everybody.